How to fix launch error, easy anti-cheat is not installed problem. To do this, open File Explorer and click this PC. After doing this, click Disk C and double-click the program files. Here what we need to do is delete easy anti-cheat folders. After doing this, go to the search section and open regedit. Here we'll remove remaining easy anti-cheat files. Easy anti-cheat is usually in either the local machine folder or current user folder. If you can't find it in local machine, check the current user folder. After clicking current user, click software and then Epic Games. After doing this, right-click EOS and click delete. Click yes to continue. We've completely removed easy anti-cheat. To reinstall it, we need to open the installation folder of the game we want to play. The location may vary, but what you need to do is open the game's local files. After doing this, double-click binaries, Win64, and easy anti-cheat folders. The next thing we need to do is double-click easy anti-cheat. After doing this, CMD will open and close and no additional installation steps will be required. After completing this, we need to restart our computer. After restarting your computer, you can check if the launch error easy anti-cheat is not installed, problem is solved or not.